Tech is on fire this July 2025. We've got modular AI labs, foldables with built-in LLMs, quantum dot solar, India's AI-powered cars, agri-startups using predictive algorithms. Each one feels like the future arriving faster than expected. So let's break down stories that actually matter. 1. Quantum dot solar panels. Arizona's first solar and New Mexico's Ubiquet just signed a major deal. They're embedding quantum dots into bifacial panels to capture both direct and reflected sunlight, boosting energy output significantly. This could double panel efficiency and open up new terrain for solar farming, even in cloudier regions. And the best part? They're ditching toxic cadmium for safer copper-based quantum dots. 2. Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. On July 9th, Samsung unveiled the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, each infused with Gemini AI baked directly into the OS. The Fold 7 is sleeker than ever at 8.9 mm thick, features a 200 megapixels main camera, and includes AI-powered sketching, summarizing, and translation tools. The Flip 7 boasts a massive 6.9-inch display with a sturdier hinge, better cooling, and a battery that supports 31 hours of video playback. 3. Modular AI labs for science. Future House and MIT are leading a push toward modular AI labs, mix-and-match systems that combine robotics, sensors, and machine learning to automate research end-to-end. One MIT prototype ran 3,000 photoconductance experiments in a single day, something that would have taken a human lab team weeks. These labs adapt in real time. As the data rolls in, the algorithms decide what to test next. 4. Qualcomm Auto Day, AI-powered cars in India. Qualcomm is holding its first-ever Snapdragon Auto Day in New Delhi on July 30th, spotlighting a new wave of AI-driven automotive platforms. They're showing off their full stack: Snapdragon Ride for autonomous systems, Cockpit for smart dashboards, and V2X for vehicle-to-everything communication. India's EV and connected car market is booming, and this event signals Qualcomm's bet that India will be a key player in auto AI. This tech isn't just future-proof, it's ready for rollout in next-gen vehicles later this year. From navigation to diagnostics, AI is becoming your car's co-pilot. 5. Tyson's AI Agritech Demo Day. On July 14th, 11 AI-driven food tech startups pitched solutions to Tyson Foods, covering traceability, packaging automation, predictive analytics, and real-time supply chain tools. 6 startups were selected for pilot programs, including one focused on using computer vision to grade meat quality instantly. Another uses AI to track carbon output and optimize water use at the farm level. Tyson says this is part of a broader push to modernize its entire value chain. The future of food isn't just about flavor, it's about intelligence at scale. And that's your July 2025 Tech Wrap. From smarter solar to embedded AI to quantum geopolitics. Every one of these stories points to a future that's arriving faster, smarter, and more interconnected than ever. Which one caught you off guard? Let me know in the comments, like if this helped you stay informed, and hit subscribe so you don't fall behind.